if I can show you the status of each and every lead in a single page. Hi, my name is Yash Tiwari and I'm the co-founder of SalesTown.in. We make sales simple. In simple words, sales pipeline is the pictorial view of where prospect and leads are in the sales process. It can show you the value and quality of success in each stage of your sales process. It allows the company to forecast the possible revenues. And on top of that, it gives you the complete status of each and every lead which your sales representative is managing. Now, let me just show you how you can create your own sales pipeline in SalesTown.in.
Creating a sales pipeline is a piece of cake with SalesTown. To do so, simply go to SalesTown.in and create your account. Your account will come with a 15 days of free trial. Once you log in, you'll see Workboard. Workboard is the main canvas where all your leads from different lead sources like Facebook, AdWords, Instagram, YouTube will come automatically. Initially, you'll see these 6 stages which are 100% customizable as per your requirement. Just click on this gear icon to customize the stages according to your requirements. You can just simply drag and drop a stage from its initial position to new position. You can see the real-time pictorial view of all of your pipeline right away on the top of it. You can also add as many stages as you want, but we don't recommend adding so many stages. To add a stage, simply click on Add New Stage and a new stage will be added. You can customize the name the way you want. Not only this, you can also customize the predefined stages with the new name you want. You can delete any stage you want, and once you are done with it, simply click on Save. So this is your workboard. You can see total number of leads and the value of leads in each stage automatically. So that's how you create your sales pipeline in SalesTown. Stay tuned for more updates.